Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother WasilKamilBey coming at you, Shamstoppers. It's 10:51 p.m. We want to talk about how to get off of child support. Remember, you can get off child support. You can beat child support. You can unvolunteer. You can do whatever you want to do with the shit. You know what I'm saying? Beware of the people who tell you you can't get off child support. You know, you don't want to be affiliated with confused beings, because they're scared and they're weak. Stop surrounding yourself around the weak, okay? So, there's 3 questions I want you to ask yourself. Number 1, how did you get on child support? Think about that and ask yourself that. How did I get on child support? Why are you on child support? Number 2, what's the reason? Number 3. Okay, I can tell you how you got on child support. For one, you don't know. People send you paperwork and you know what I'm saying? And that's that. You deal with it, right? Number 2, why you on it? Because you think it's just a wave. Somebody telling you on down the line, your people saying, hey, that's just something you gotta do. You gotta pay that child support. Number 3, what's the reason? You scared, right? You are scared of child support and they force you to pay them money, right? You know what I'm saying? Let's go to this little thing, how not to pay child support. Look, as a parent, you have an obligation to pay child support. Getting out of this obligation can be very difficult. And parents are relieved of their responsibility only in limited situations. Nevertheless, if you want to stop or lower your child support payments, you do have some options. Look at that. They tell you got options. But you too stupid. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to my business banking. Dictionary of banking terms. Let me see. Do your baby mama and the people she deal with have unclean hands? Huh? Unclean hands. We know they ain't got clean hands, right? Look at that. In law, plaintiff coming to court with no record of misconduct on his part in the same area as that to which he is charging the defendant. An example is where one party charges the other with unfair competition. The suit may be dropped if it can be shown that the complaining party has followed similar practices. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you don't understand that, not just that, if you don't understand and overstand what's going on, then you locked in, brothers, sisters, whoever paying. You know what I'm saying? Whoever paying. Keep paying, they gonna just keep playing. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens ye. You hear me? Child support is not difficult, people. It ain't what you think it is. It's not. Stop making shit difficult. Don't call us on the last day. One brother hit us up. He got to be at court this week. He's scared shitless. You know what I'm saying? Scared shitless. You don't have to be violent with these people. We have the correct way of dealing with these people. No child support, it ain't out to get you. You out to get you. Okay? This the realest channel on YouTube. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Who all got testimonies of this child support shit? I know one brother. You know what I'm saying? One brother. Other than that, I don't know nobody else. Well, two brothers. Two brothers, excuse me. Apologize. Two brothers, and they know who they are, and they know people who know who I'm talking about. We know these two brothers. They very knowledgeable. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm going to tell y'all something too. We're not a babysitting. We're not a daycare center, okay? We're not. If you over 18 years old, you should be able to read anything because you already have a high school education. You should know your 8 parts of speech. You should know the difference between a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb. You know what I'm saying? Compositional phrase, prepositional phrase, all that good stuff. You should know that stuff. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. You're on child support because you're ignorant. And ignorant means you're ignoring everything. Okay? I've got off child support. I beat child support. I unvolunteered. That ain't for me. It's not. It's just not for me. It's not for my partners. For our company. You know. It's not. So I just gave y'all a little bit. You know. And if you don't think I gave you something, then you need to go read a book. Do it your fucking self. You want me to give you something for free? No. No. Try going to the bunny ranch and tell me what happens. Go there with some money, without no money, without paying those hoes, and see what happens. We're good whores over here, so you're gonna have to pay us. We some good hoes. You pay, you play. That's simple. I'm gonna come out with some more videos in a few minutes after this one. If you want to reach us, you know how to reach us at Shamstoppers.com, WasilKamilBey at gmail.com, and WalkingEmpire@gmail.com. The numbers will be at the show more. You know what I'm saying? We got all the proof. Proof's in the pudding. We the best. You know what I'm saying? We settle for nothing less. Failure is no option over here. Failure would not be a motherfucking option. Okay? That's how we roll. You want to be successful? Come over here. And please don't be underhanded and try to ask all these stupid ass questions. I'm going to do a video on that. Did you ask, nigga? Don't ask me. Did you ask? Let's go for all skin tones. You know? Go ahead and invest into yourself. Whether you pay us or you pay something for 18 years on down the line. We have a cure, a remedy, all that good shit. You see it right here. It's telling you you can get rid of child support. I didn't say it. This is not my shit. They're liable for that, not I. Hit us up. Hey, subscribe. Get at Facebook. Let us know. You know what I'm saying? Only serious people get at us. Who you want to get off of child support, get rid of, involuntary, whatever you want to do. When we don't work on no reducing no payments, we don't do that whole ass shit. We don't believe in that. We pimps over here, and that's how we gonna do it. And for the aware people, when I mean pimps, I'm not talking about taking no bitch outside and putting her on the street. I'm talking about pimps because we refuse to be pimped. It's only two people in this world. Pimps and hoes. That's it. What side you on? Peace.